Hi guys, we are Christine and Adonis from Montreal. Christine is she comes from a background of French and Spanish parents. She has been living in Canada since she was a little girl, and I am from Cuba, and we live together now in Montreal. We came to this business almost 2 years ago. Christine, um, she had his very successful career as a teacher, and was studying at the university, finishing a certificate. And well, the last months of my studies, well, my income was not good at all, of course, as a student, and I was looking for other choices. I didn't want to work for others. I always hated to work for others, and hated, yes, to be honest.
He does.
Yeah, I do. So I was looking for anything, and in order to work from home, and to enjoy that flexibility, be close to my family. And Christine was working as a teacher. She was even finishing a master degree
Yeah.
in education after having been teaching for more than 20 years. So and our life was pretty hectic, and the commuting, and we didn't have time for us, and to be with we live with my son that is 13 years old, and Christine have grown kids too, and we didn't have time for ourselves. So I was started searching, and the day I found this ad, and I watched the webinar, and then I showed the webinar to Christine. I knew right away that's something real. And I'm very picky, let me tell you. So this was something amazing, very authentic, and we jump in, and that was the beginning of everything. We have been it's gonna be very soon 2 years that we're doing this business, and it has been just a personal growth in all senses. We are not the same people that we were before. We have changed our lives completely, 180 degrees. I don't know, Christine, if you want to say something.
Yeah, I just want to say that it's, the irony of it all is that I finished this master's degree, and 6 months later I retired because I didn't have to work anymore. And so here we are, so now we live in the country because we don't have to commute. There's so many things that have changed for the better. We both work from home. We have more time, flexibility. And in terms of money, of course, it's been a godsend because I was really the only salary that was coming in. But we've been
I was
doing.
contributing something.
Yes, you were, darling. But
Okay.
I was the main. I was bringing the bacon
Yeah,
home.
well,
Okay,
no.
yeah. Okay, so and so our biggest month so far has been $8,000, and we're really edging towards the 5 digits. So we're very happy about that. And this is a business that you could do, is very flexible, and you can do it anytime you want. He's a night owl, so sometimes he's working at 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm a day person, and we work a few hours during the day together. But I will start doing some stuff on my own in the morning, and in the evening when he's not sleeping, he'll go down to his computer if that's what he wants to do. But you can, spend as little time or as much time as you want in this business, and you will get the results that that you've put in. But it's part-time, full-time, so it fits everybody and anybody. So I can't say any I can't say any more because there's so many great things and to say about this. But let's just say that you need to explore this further, and if you pay in that $149, let me tell you, that's the best investment you'll ever make in your life. Take it from a teacher. Listen to me.
Yeah, as Mike was saying, there are many ways of doing this. You can do it full time, or decide if you love your profession or whatever. There are so many formulas to apply this business to your life. So it has been amazing for us. Our life is more quieter, and we love what we're doing. It has been a great experience, and the future is